Hello everyone and welcome to IBC 2023. I'm Simone D'Antone and I'm Business Developer Leader for Broadcast in AWS. And today I'd like you to walk you through the demo we prepared for this show edition, starting with live cloud production. In this area we are replicating what our major customers are doing out there. It's all about live cloud production for TR1 event. So of course we are having a complex vision mixer with data-driven graphics. We are having an audio station capable of processing 128 audio signals and Dolby Atmos, and of course slow-mo, intercom, all the tools that our customers are regularly using for their production to tell their story. I have to admit our team has spent significant amount of time in the past years to deploy and refine this kind of workflow. In fact, now we are thinking, what else can we do once we are in the cloud? What other benefits can we achieve? And that's part of the second demo about international regionalization. One of the beauty to be on AWS is that once the match feed is produced, you can create the regional variant to distribute around the globe in different languages and with different graphics. In this particular example, we are not only creating 3 international feeds in Japanese, Spanish and English, but we are also changing graphics, but clips and content within the streams to create the regional content and unlock new monetized options. But live cloud production is not only intended for sport event. Here we are also presenting for the first time a live cloud production for newsroom. What are the differences? Well, it's still a vision mixer and audio mixer, but of course news run on schedule. So the integration with an automation system makes a difference, and the creation of fast turnaround clip editing is another big difference with growing file and collaborative editing. Another important piece of the equation here is that very often your cameras are PTZ camera with no operator, so the scheduler, the automation scheduler, must control those cameras on the ground. And in this particular demo, we are using 2 kinds of PTZ cameras, one in Sydney, one located here at the booth, so our visitors can see how fast and integrated are those movements into the production. The story continues on this side of the wall, where the streams generated by the live cloud production, either for newsroom or sports, are received on the master control side. An important announcement we are doing during the trade show is about 2 products of us. One is the Elemental Link UHD, which is now able to connect to Media Connect directly, so there's no need anymore to pass through Media Live, and that creates a huge benefit in terms of reducing latency and improve video quality. And the second big announcement is about CloudWatch metrics that now can be taken every second rather than 60 seconds. So thanks to that, we can actually create our dashboard, in this case with Grafana, where the metrics are very fast. Now, the master control room is a place, in this case a virtual place, where an operator checks the streams, the incoming streams, with traditional broadcasters tools such as vector scope, such as audio level, video level, and verify the conformity of those streams. We know that monitoring and observability is a huge theme, because in the on-prem world, following an SDI cable is fairly easy. Following all the path of our signal streams in the cloud, it's pretty complex. So we wanted to double down about how easy or how many tools are available for our customers to create their own dashboard or using third-party products to understand what's going on into their environment. And this demo is all about that. So we built a multi-viewer where the background is actually the signal path of your stream with tally area, color red, green, orange, red, so it's easier for the operator to understand what's going on. And this is all API driven. Another benefit of having a master control room in the middle is that actually even our playout can be controlled in between. So what does it mean? It means that the master control room is feeding the playout as a primary and secondary input, but even the output of the playout is controlled by the master control room. So if something happens on the main feed, we can easily switch over on the backup one or on the alternative one very quickly. And as part of this story, once the output is generated, the final one is generated, we usually take the feeds and send out for distribution. In this particular example, we are doubling down about how we can distribute feeds around the globe with different mechanisms. In particular, one thing we are presenting in the show is a partnership with a satellite operator where we are sending them our HLS stream and they are uplinking into the transponder and receiving down here. But also, as part of worldwide reliable IP distribution, we can use our global infrastructure made with Elemental services to distribute streams around the globe. And again, you can use partners to do that, you can build your own. The cool thing is that as part of the observability story I mentioned before, you can create your own dashboard using the metrics collected by the services itself. So in this particular example, we are using Grafana to design our dashboard, taking the metrics we want to take a look at and control our global distribution network. Thanks for taking the time to work with us. If you want to learn more or have any question, feel free to contact us.